guys, welcome back to Eat Your Kappa with me, Nambi. It's been quite a while since I've posted videos in YouTube. I've been trying to balance work life and YouTubing at the same time. It's been quite difficult, and I'm back at home for my vacations, and here I am today shooting my first video after a really long time. And today I'm going to cook Bodo style chicken curry with potatoes. This chicken curry is very similar to what we normally cook at home, probably because Bodos and Garos are sister tribes, and I'm sure there are plenty of other tribes that follow a very similar recipe just like this. And to get started with the cooking, the ingredients required to make this dish are 250 grams of chicken. The chicken that I'm using is a country chicken, and it's a really old rooster, so the meat is really rough. So I've pre-boiled my chicken. If you are making use of boiler chicken, you do not have to pre-cook it. 4 to 5 small potatoes that has been peeled and cut into half. 4 to 5 fresh green chilies. These are fresh green chilies, believe me, although they are slightly dry, but because of the hailstone that we had last week, our chili plants have been completely wiped out, and I have to wait till Tuesday to restock our chili supply. 1 medium-sized onion, 2-inch piece of ginger, 5 to 6 cloves of garlic, coriander for garnishing. I'm making use of cilantro. So I have the same story for the coriander as well. Our corianders also got wiped out with the hailstone, so I'm making use of cilantro or the spiny coriander. These are available in the backyard, and they grow wild, and they actually smell like coriander, so I'm making use of them. 2 tablespoons of mustard oil and salt to taste. Apart from all of this, the most important ingredient is half a teaspoon of turmeric. The first thing that we need to do now is crush the onions into a paste. Looks like our paste is ready. Now let's keep it aside and crush the garlic and ginger. The pastes are ready. Now let's get cooking. Let's heat up some mustard oil. The oil looks heated. Let's add the onion paste. Let the onion saute a little bit, and then we can add the turmeric. Now let's drop in our chicken and potatoes together. Now let's add about 2 cups of water and bring it to a boil. Right about now is when we add the ginger garlic paste and the chilies. Cover it with a lid and cook till the potatoes are soft and the chicken is cooked. Our chicken is already pre-cooked, so all we need to worry about is the potatoes. Let's see if the potatoes are cooked. The dish is ready. You can serve it with hot steamed rice. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next episode with more amazing recipes from the Northeast. Enjoy your chicken curry anytime, anywhere, and in any weather. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next episode with more amazing recipes from the Northeast.